I like to call them the cat whiskers. What I used to have in my car a while back, just a 2020 version. I'm gonna show you how to do these. I'm gonna show you how to wire them by the headlights. And we'll go from there. All right. So I'll show you guys how to take off the bumper in a different video. I'll just link that for you guys. But when you take off the bumper, the first thing you want to do is take off these plastic pieces right here that's holding the fog bezel, but it's not really a fog bezel. It's a plastic front cover. You can use your finger to take them out like I'm doing right now, or you can use a flathead. Take those out, and then all these right here is 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. Same thing, you can use your fingers, or you can use a flathead to push them down. Underneath here you have this one push him, it needs to come out. Okay. Alright, after that, it falls right out. Just like that. Oh yeah, I see it now. A lot of times when these covers come in, they don't cut out the fog circle already, which is kind of stupid. So you gotta get a knife and do it yourself. So after you put that back on, we'll put these white clips back in. Alright, so after you put all the screws in, the tabs, well not screws, but the push slide push-ins, the push-in. Next, so this right here, this wire, every single kit I've ever seen, the wire is too short to reach to your headlights. So I'm going to extend this wire. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Can't see anything. Lock this light down. Alright, so we're gonna make this wire longer right here. We don't need to strip it because it's already stripped. So I'm just going to twist the wire, let it stay straight. That's right here. Got this off of Amazon. Pretty useful. Instead of taking a razor blade trying to pick at it, expose the wire. Twist it. Heat gun would be so much better. I hate using that damn lighter. Alright, so for the SE, you got these two plugs right here. So This black wire right here is for the nighttime, like when your low beams come on at night. So we're gonna put the blue wire to this one. So how we're gonna do that? These right here are T-taps. Put it right here. Push down, make sure it's inside that metal piece right there. And you're gonna clamp down on it, okay? And then for the other end, for the blue wire, alright? And then for your white lights, the white DRL, that's gonna be coming on for your parking lights. You're gonna hook that up to the middle wire of this wire. So this is pretty much the inside light of your headlight for the SC. And then lastly, for your turn signal, the turn signal is always this green and white wire right here. All right, so for the final product, what you're gonna do on the passenger side, so the green and white wire wasn't a turn signal wire, so it's in the same exact position, but in this case, it was a green wire. Toyota wanted to make a change to the wires. This is not the first time I've seen this, so it's fine. So that's the turn signal right there. And on the other side, the two in the black is the blue wire and the red wire to the fog lights. So they comes on at nighttime, and then the red wire was on to the red wire, and the turn signal was over here. And remember, the middle wire was the white DRLs, and then the green and white wire to the far right was the turn signal.